Number 3. KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder. This trusty little gadget has been grinding my coffee beans for years, and I wouldn't trade it for anything else. While burr grinders might steal the spotlight for coffee aficionados, a solid blade grinder like this one can still deliver a satisfying brew. This KitchenAid grinder stands out with its durability thanks to the stainless steel blade that promises longevity and powerful performance. Quickly grind whole coffee beans enough for 12 cups of your favorite brew. Its clear top cover adds a nifty touch, providing one-touch control for ease of use. Simply push down to grind and release to stop. Watching the ground coffee through the transparent lid helps you get the perfect consistency. When it comes to consistency in grinding, remember to pulse it instead of holding it down. By doing this, you'll achieve a more uniform grind, enhancing the flavor of your coffee. While continuous grinding might leave some nearly whole beans, pulsing keeps them to a minimum. One of my favorite features is the removable cup that makes transferring grounds a breeze. Sturdy construction ensures it withstands daily use, and it has become my go-to for drip machines, French presses, and pour-overs alike. Even with fresh, locally roasted beans, it turns out a killer cup every time. My only gripe is the noise level. It's not whisper quiet, but it's not a deal breaker either. Overall, this KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder offers fantastic value and impressive performance in its category. Ready to elevate your morning coffee game? Check out this amazing grinder for yourself.